Good morning, good afternoon. Hopefully everybody's doing okay. So we're gonna do lesson 2 from chapter 12 today. And hopefully this multiplication thing is pretty simple so far and you're enjoying it. I know you guys were super excited to do multiplication this year. So we're gonna talk about multiplying groups of 2, okay? So last lesson we talked and we decided how multiplication is repeated addition, okay? So these are all gonna be times 2. So it's gonna be a double stacked basically for addition. So 2 times 2 would be like 2 plus 2, okay? 2 times 3 would be like 3 plus 3 plus 3, or sorry, 3 plus 3. 2 times 6 would be 6 plus 6. 2 times 8 would be 8 plus 8, okay? So it's that number added to itself one time. Okay, so let's look at our example at the top. Jerry collects stamps. Jerry collects stamps. The stamps come in packages of 2. He buys 6 packages. How many stamps does Jerry buy? So they come in packs of 2 and he buys 6, okay? So here's the number of groups. Here's the number in each group. Here's the number in all. So we have 6 plus 6, basically. So 6 times 2 equals 12, same as 6 plus 6. So here's the number in each group. Here's the number of groups. We have 2 in each group. We have 6. We bought 6 groups. We have 12 in all. And they did a picture over here for you as well. So 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay? And then, let's see, number 1 is done for you, but we're going to go over it. 3 2s. So that's like saying 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay? Or you could do 3 plus 3. Okay? So we have 3 times 2 equals 6. And just like addition, when we have 8 plus 2 equals 10, okay? 2 plus 8 also equals 10, right? Okay, it's the same with multiplication. So you can flip multiplication and you'll get the same answer. So 3 times 2 is 6, but 2 times 3 is also 6, okay? All right, now we have number 2. We have 4 groups of 2. So you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 2, so what's 4 plus 4? That's what 4 times 2 is. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. Now would be a good time to pause the video, try 3 and 4, and then press play and see if you're right. So number 3, we have 8 groups of 2. So that's like saying 8 plus 8, because if you count them, look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. So 8 times 2 equals 16. And 2 times 8 is just the opposite, is the reversed problem there. Flipped problem, the opposite problem. We did a whole lesson on that in addition and subtraction. Okay, multiplication is the same thing. You can reverse it. You can do 8 times 2 and get 16, and you can do 2 times 8 and get 16. Okay. All right, and then number 4, we have 7 groups of 2. So 7 times 2. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So you can do 7 plus 7 equals 14, and that's how we get our answer. Okay? All right, let's look at the back here. We have 2 times 6. 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, or 6 plus 6 equals 12. All right, now, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, okay? But it's a secret, okay? 2 times 1. Anything times 1 is gonna be that number, okay? Because that's like saying you have 1 group of 2. So if you have 1 group of 2, how many do you have? You have 2, okay? 7 times 1. You have 1 group of 7, so how many do you have? 7. 700 times 1. You have 1 group of 700. How many do you have? 700. Okay? So anything times 1 is that number. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 7 times 1 is 7. Okay? And then here's the other little secret, okay? Anything times 0 is 0, okay? So if you have 0 groups of 2, you still have 0 groups, okay? You can't have 0 in a number and not equal 0 in multiplication, okay? So anything times 0 is 0. 7 times 0, 0. 12 times 0, still 0. Okay, so 0 times 2, 0. Okay, now we have 9 times 2, or you could do 9 plus 9. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 9 times 2, 18. And then 5 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. All right, so this is like a little fun little graph here. Oops, sorry. So everything times 2. So here's the number in each group. So we have 2 for each group, and here's the number of groups. So see, here we go. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. Do we notice a pattern? We're counting by 2s each time. So we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And we're going to skip the critical thinking. Okay, so I would encourage you to do some facts. So give yourself some problems. 1 times 2, all the way up to 24 times 2, or all the way up to 12 times 2. Let's stop at 12. See if you guys can do it, okay? All right, so if you guys have any questions, again, have mom or dad email me. I'd be more than happy to do a Zoom call with you guys and help you through it, okay? Whatever you're confused on, I want to know. I want to help, okay? So let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.